Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. Well, Thanksgiving is a couple days away, followed by Black Friday, and before you know it, Christmas will be here. Have you done your shopping for the Tundra enthusiast in your life? Well, if you didn't, I have a couple options for you here today from a brand called Yodaverse. If you watched a video I did a couple weeks ago about the gear shifter overlay, that also was from Yodaverse, and I announced in that video I was going to show you a couple options from their website that maybe isn't the most expensive thing if you're somebody who wants to buy a part here or there for someone, or if you are a Tundra owner and you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, the part I showed you a couple weeks ago and the two that I will show you today are under $100. Small little things that can make a big difference. Today, we're going to look at a phone mount for your truck from a brand called Off-Roam, and we're going to look at a center console organizer. Maybe you're someone that doesn't want that safe in your center console. And as we know in the Tundra and the new gen, even in the old gen, the center console is gigantic, cavernous. So a little organization with this item may be good. So let's start with the center console organizer, and then we will show you the phone mount. Okay, so here is the item here for your center console organizer. It even comes with little rubber mats to put in the bottom of it so things won't slide around. There is no installation with this. This literally slides down into the center console. So if you want it sometimes, but not all the time, it's there for you. If for some reason you have to put something gigantic in your center console, it pulls right out. No screws, no nothing. It just fits right in and stays secure. So $50 for this item. Here's the stock center console. And here we are throwing in our piece here, which just sets right down. You can even leave stuff under it. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but just think of how organized your center console will be with something so simple. And if you don't want it in there, like we said, it comes right out, but it sits flush. It sits perfect, doesn't shake. And that's before we even put in the rubber mats. Okay, next up we have the Off-Roam phone mount, and this is for the new generation Toyota Tundra and the Toyota Sequoia. This is going to run you $90 on the Yodaverse website. It comes with the part and the tool to install. Very, very simple, easy to take off if you don't want to use it. And it looks like this mount will not shake and is great for not just the road, but the trails as well. The mount is very easy to install. It goes in the upper corner of the vent. Very simple. And that's what it looks like when it's completely installed. You can do vertical or horizontal with your phone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Two options from Yodaverse for the Tundra owner and enthusiast in your life. The phone mount is $90. The center console organizer is $50. And don't forget, on Yodaverse, there's a big Black Friday sale still going on across their website. So go check them out. Let me know what you think about these products. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34, gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.